Reset computer. Many users experience serious problems with their computers. Think of a solution. As computer usage increases, it may be due to installing too much software and the pile of documents. It runs slowly. Reset can clear useless data, improve performance. In addition, if the computer is infected with a virus, Reset helps to remove malicious programs, protect data security. When selling or giving away a computer, Reset can ensure that personal privacy is not compromised. The installation of new software can sometimes cause system instability. Remaking can also solve these problems, but some users I don't know much about the specific operation of remake. As a result, the problem is still not solved after the remake is completed. After restarting while holding down the Shift key, enter the Windows recovery environment. Select Troubleshoot, select Reset this PC. If you choose to keep my files, in addition to the desktop, unused files in my documents will also be retained. We choose to delete everything. Choose Local Reinstall here. Select Installation Only. Refers to Installation Only C. If you select all drivers, all other disks will also be cleared. Choose carefully here. Choose to completely clean the drive. That means clearing out all the contents of the C drive. Redeploy new system files. Finally, confirm and click Reset to complete the reset operation. Log in again like new to reactivate. It should be noted that resetting the computer may result in data loss, software configuration reset, compatibility and functionality issues, and affect system performance. Therefore, when resetting the computer, please back up system files and personal important files first.